Hey guys, what is up? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a software called iMazing to find out if Apple is really slowing down your iPhone without you even knowing it. And as a huge added bonus, this is a file manager, so you can manage all of your apps, all of your photos, you can transfer data, you can backup data, and you can even access the file system within your iOS device. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So to get started, all you have to do is go to the first link in the description down below, and that's going to take you straight to iMazing's official website. And on their official website, you'll be able to simply click on the free download button, and with the free version, you will be able to see if your phone is being slowed down. So once that's downloaded, go ahead and install it, and once installed, you're good to go. So now that you've got iMazing installed, I want to give you guys a quick rundown of how this works. So first off, just go ahead and plug your phone straight into your computer, and after a minute it should recognize it, and once it's recognized you'll see a screen that looks like this. Now first off, this is an iPhone manager, so you can manage pretty much everything on here, ranging from all of your photos to your music to your movies to contacts, and even apps and stuff like your file system can all be managed using this software. On top of that, you can also back up your phone as well as restore from a backup, and the next feature I want to show you guys is one that I think is really cool. You can actually transfer all of the data from one device straight over to another. So say for example you just got the new iPhone 10 and you want to transfer everything from your old phone over, you can simply do that with the press of a button, which is really nice and going to save a lot of time. There's also a couple other cool features baked into the software as well, but the main one I want to show you guys can be found in the bottom right corner. If you click on this battery icon, you can actually see the remaining battery health of your device. So as you guys may know, Apple has actually been intentionally slowing down iPhones since iOS 10.2.1 about a year ago, and this has been mostly affecting older iPhones. If you get your battery replaced, it will completely fix this issue and you'll be able to use your phone like it's brand new. Now, Apple actually released an official statement regarding this a couple of days ago now, and in that statement they say that all rechargeable batteries are consumable components that become less effective as they chemically age and their ability to hold a charge diminishes. They also state that a chemically aged battery also becomes less capable of delivering peak energy loads in a low state of charge, which may result in a device unexpectedly shutting itself down in some situations. So in order to combat this random shutoff, they basically lowered the performance of your device when your battery has gotten old. So as I was saying earlier, in order to see if your phone is being affected by this, you can actually use iMazing's feature here to see if your battery health is still up to par. So for example, as you guys can see, my battery health is 97%. So in my case, it really wouldn't be worth it to get a new battery replacement just because I'm not really going to notice that 3% difference. But if your battery health is very low compared to that, I would seriously consider getting it replaced. And as a huge added bonus, Apple just announced they've reduced the price for a battery replacement from 79 bucks all the way down to $29. So that's a huge decrease right there. So if you've noticed your phone starting to feel very sluggish, then I would seriously consider getting it replaced. If you'd like to learn more about this whole issue, I'll make sure to link to an article written by the guys behind iMazing. So they go a little bit more in depth with it, so you can learn more via that article below. I'll also link to the official Apple statement as well. And overall, I think if you're trying to find out if your device is being affected, or if you're just looking for an all-in-one software manager for your iOS device, this is definitely something you should consider. So anyway, with all of that being said, I'd also like to give a huge thanks to iMazing for reaching out and sponsoring this video. And with all of that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.